Hello friends, this is the 7th lesson of Learn French in 30 days. There are 3 groups of regular verb in French, but in this lesson I only explain about ER ending verbs, conjugation, list of commonly used ER verbs with their English meaning, the present tense conjugation of regular ER verbs, formation. The present tense of all regular verbs ending in ER consist of the stem of the verb contain endings. The stem of the verb, which is the same for all person, is found by dropping the ER ending of the infinitive. The personal ending which are added to the stem of all regular ER verbs are E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. The following conjugation can serve as a model for all regular ER ending verbs in the present tense. The present indicative, the présent de l'indicatif. Travail, to work. Je travaille, I work, I am working, I do work. Tu travailles, you work, you are working, you do work. Il travaille, he works, he is working, he does work. Elle travaille, she works, she is working, she does work. On travaille, one works, one is working, one does work. Nous travaillons, we work, we are working, we do work. Vous travaillez, you work, you are working, you do work. Elles travaillent, they work, they are working, they do work. Elles travaillent, they work, they are working, they do work. The conjugation of regular ER verb with spelling changes. There are a number of ER ending verbs which are regular but slight spelling changes affect the pronunciation. These verbs add an accent grave, accent aigu, double a consonant, or turn Y in an I. These changes always occur in all singular persons as well as in the third person plural, that is, in those persons where the verb's ending is silent. The nous and vous forms in the endings which are pronounced will keep the spelling of the infinitive. The spelling is changed in the following types of ER verbs. Verbs which have E in the next to the last syllable of the infinitive. Some of these verbs double the last consonant of the stem in all person except nous and vous. For example, jeter, to throw. Je jette, tu jettes. Il, elle jette, nous jettons. Vous jettez, il, elle jette. Other verbs of this types are appeler, to call, épeler, to spell, projeter, to plan, rappeler, to call back or remind. Some change the E into A in all person except nous and vous. For example, acheter, to buy. J'achète, tu achètes, elle achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, il, elle achète. Other verbs of this types are achever, to finish, complete a task, amener, to bring a person, élever, to raise, bring up children, geler, to freeze, mener, to lead. Verbs that have an A in the next to the last syllable of the infinitive changes A to A, the all person except nous and vous. For example, espérer, to hope. J'espère, tu espères, il espère, nous espérons, vous espérez, il, elle espère. Other verbs of this type are céder, to yield, célébrer, to celebrate, considérer, to consider, exagérer, to exaggerate, gérer, to manage, préférer, to prefer. Verbs ending in AYER can change the Y into an I in all persons except nous and vous. For example, payer, to pay for. Je paye, tu payes. Elle paye, nous payons. Vous payez, il paye, elle paye. Other verbs of this type are balaye, to sweep, essaye, to try, try on. Verbs ending in OYER in UYER always substitute an I for the Y in all person except nous and vous. Example, nettoyer, to clean. Je nettoie, tu nettoies, elle nettoie, nous nettoyons, vous nettoyez, elle nettoie. Let's see other example. Ennuyer, to bore, to bother, to annoy. J'ennuie, tu ennuies, elle ennuie, nous ennuyons, vous ennuyez, elle ennuie. Other verbs of these types are appuyer, to press, employer, to use, employ, envoyer, to send, essuyer, to wipe. Other spelling changes. Verbs ending in GER and CER change their spelling in the new form for phonetic reasons. For example, manger, to eat. Je mange, tu manges, elle mange, nous mangions, vous mangez, elle mange. Other verbs of this type are changer, to change, corriger, to correct, déménager, to move, change residence, déranger, to disturb, bother, encourager, to encourage, engager, to hire, mélanger, to mix, obliger, to oblige, force, partager, to share, plonger, to dive, voyager, to travel. Verbs ending in CER add a cedi to C in the new form of the present tense in order to make C sound S. Without the cedier, the C would be pronounced K. Let's see example. Commence, to begin, start. Je commence, tu commences, elle commence, nous commençons, vous commencez, elle commence. Other verbs of this type are annoncer, to announce, avancer, to advance, effacer, to erase, forcer, to force, menacer, to threaten, placer, to place, put, prononcer, to pronounce, remplacer, to replace. Alright guys, these are only ER ending regular verbs. I have mentioned examples accordingly. So now you try to conjugate yourself and practice as much as you can. Okay? Hope you understand. So please like, share and subscribe my channel to learn French in easy way. Au revoir. Merci. Bye bye friends.